With the Ahsoka series in full effect, let's make an amazing old-fashioned to honor this badass. I am no Jedi. Ahsoka was set to premiere with a total of 8 episodes on Disney Plus, and they're already in full swing. So, to celebrate, let's make an old-fashioned to honor Ahsoka. We all have to admit that Ahsoka is a badass. She has taken on the likes of Ventress, Inquisitors, General Grievous, Darth Maul, and even Darth Vader. I will leave a list for her top 10 fights in the description below. Ahsoka has fought the best of the best solo and survived. She deserves our respect, and I am so excited about this Ahsoka series. Anything that involves Dave Filoni makes me excited. He worked closely with George Lucas and understands Star Wars the way George Lucas intended. Now, if I could make one wish,
believe me, I wish that I could just wish away my feelings.
it would be about Season 2, Episode 5 of The Mandalorian titled The Jedi. I really wish they would have named it I Am No Jedi. Ahsoka stopped being a Jedi at the end of Season 5 of Clone Wars as she walked away from the Jedi Order and never looked back.
Ahsoka, wait!
She tells her former master Anakin, turned Sith Lord Darth Vader, I am no Jedi, during their duel.
The problem is, Ahsoka Tano is no longer a Jedi.
Alright, enough of that. Cocktail quiz time! How did Ahsoka escape Order 66? It was a death-defying experience. For this drink, I got inspiration from Ahsoka herself, her colors, and SInCItyBartnder. I will leave a link to his Ahsoka cocktail in the description below. I Am No Jedi Old-Fashioned float ingredients, 2 ounces of vanilla vodka, 1 ounce of orange soda simple syrup, 2 dashes of orange bitters, 1 dash Bob vanilla bitters, 2 scoops of orange vanilla sherbet swirl, 1 ounce blue curacao. Alright, let's start making the I Am No Jedi Old-Fashioned. In a large glass, we're going to add 2 ounces of vanilla vodka. Next, let's add the 2 dashes of the orange bitters. And also 1 dash of this Bob's vanilla bitters. We're going to give that just a tiny stir. And then set that to the side. Originally, I was going to do 1 scoop of old-fashioned and 1 scoop of orange sherbet. However, when I did the old-fashioned ice cream in this, it did not taste the way I wanted to. The ice cream came out too rich and too creamy for this kind of cocktail, so it didn't quite work. So instead, we're going to use this orange cream swirl, which is sherbet and vanilla ice cream swirl.
A counterclockwise swirl.
And we're going to do 2 scoops of this. Now we're going to add 1 ounce of this orange soda simple syrup. See how thick that is. I reduced this so it's a nice thick consistency. And we're going to do a full ounce. Look at the way that pours out. It's almost like a gel. And we're going to pour that over the top. Now we're going to also add the 1 ounce of blue curacao. This is what I had on hand. I would try to find a better one, but for today, this will be good enough. So yeah, we're using another whole ounce. This is going to be very sweet. I promise it'll come out good. I promise. So pour this over the top. And so there you have it. I Am No Jedi Old-Fashioned float. And of course, we had to use the cute glass with this as well. Cocktail quiz time. How did Ahsoka escape Order 66? Clone troopers under Ahsoka's command attacked and tried to kill her as well. Ahsoka Tano and Captain Rex were both able to survive and fake their deaths to evade the Empire, and even created a fake grave for Captain Rex and left Ahsoka's lightsaber behind. So now it's time to taste this bad boy, or should I say, bad girl.
Ahsoka.
So, as we all know, Ahsoka is a badass, right? But she seems very sweet, but you know what? She does pack a punch. There are 2 ounces of alcohol in here, so it does pack a punch, but it's going to come out very sweet in the front. So I'm ready to try this. Well, complete failure. It's made a nice little plug on top, so couldn't reach the ice cream. Let's try that again. Let's give it a little stir. I think a glass that's a little bit wider would be better for this, but I definitely wanted to use this one. So let's give that a second shot. I'll let you guys see Grogu. Wow, that does come around as very sweet up front, but you do taste the vanilla vodka at the end. Even though vodka doesn't have much flavor, I do taste a lot of that vanilla.
How about vanilla? Let's get vanilla.
And it gives a little bit of warmness on the tongue, not much, but I like it. I've always liked orange sherbet. I've always liked vanilla, and as a swirl, perfect. I'm gonna go in for a second drink. Now, this drink is very thick, very creamy.
That's what she said.
But when you go through the orange, then you go through the vanilla, and at the end you get more of a vanilla taste from the vodka. I actually quite like it. Now, is this a typical old-fashioned? No. Does it highlight the spirit? No, but I'm not trying to do that today. Today is to honor Ahsoka. Looking forward to the rest of this series. I haven't seen this newest episode, so I'm gonna go do that now. Thank you again for joining me on another journey down my old-fashioned rabbit hole. Hope you're enjoying the Ahsoka series. What is your favorite episode? Leave that in the comments below, and may the Force be with you. Cheers.
The Force will be with you, always.